30 seconds, stop. No. I am Professor Dr. S. Ramesh Babu. I am a 64-year-old retired metallurgical scientist with a doctorate from Indian Institute of Science. Although by profession I am a scientist, purely as a hobby I have been setting a lot of records in highly varied and disconnected areas. My journey of world records started in 1993. First world record was in 93. When I did a longest shuttle badminton rally record when I was working as an R&D chief at Jindal Ships Limited, Hisar. From that time onwards the journey began. At that point of time it had occurred to me that maybe I should set 10 world records in my life. That was my ambition when I started the journey, and 10 world records I finished it in no time. But thereafterwards I was not setting the targets. My well-wishers, my friends, my fans and media people, they were pushing me hard. They said Ramesh Babu 20, Ramesh Babu 30, Ramesh Babu 40, 50, and then people start, once I reached 50, then everybody started talking, before Sachin Tendulkar you must set the 100 records. Of course Sachin Tendulkar set the record quite a few years back. They said it was media people mainly who set the target for me as 100, and I thought 100 is a very respectable number. The rate I was going in, 100 was not reachable this quickly. It was not possible at all, simply not possible. But it occurred to me that I have the capability, and before it's like a running race. You are running the race, you are ahead of others, but you won't win the race until you reach the target, because there are others walking behind you, and anytime somebody can catch up with you and run faster. So you have to keep maintaining the distance. To maintain the distance you have to keep running, and to reach first you have to run much faster so that nobody else runs faster than you. This is exactly the situation. So finally I came to the threshold of 99 records on November 28th, when quite a few of these people were all present for my record. Then I set my eye on setting the 100th record. From my childhood, Carom had been my very, very passionate game, and I was pretty good at it. And I had won the Indian Institute of Science Carom Championship consecutively for 4 years, and I have already set 4 world records in the area of Carom. So I decided for the 100th record I will use Carom as the event, and specifically because this is a 100th record, I said I will do the fastest time to pocket 100 Carom ring ponds through top cut thumbings. So that is the event I attempted today morning, and the attempt was successful in the maiden attempt itself, and I was able to make, Ashok Kumar, correct me if I am wrong, yes, 4 minutes 41 seconds, correct? Yes. 4 minutes 41 seconds I was able to reach my target. Mohan tells me it translates to something like 22.7 or something like that, so many pounds per minute success rate. The striking rate was probably around 27 or so, which is quite good. There were quite a few ponds which were not successful in the first turn. It was well anticipated by me. I knew about that. It is not possible to achieve 100% perfection in the Carom because it is a tricky shot. Any normal shot is okay, but this is a tricky shot. So I was prepared for between 80 to 85 first turn shots. Probably I am closer to 85. Through video replay it will be confirmed what exactly is the number. So I just achieved the 100th record, and I am happy to announce that I am the first Indian to have achieved 100 records in all. The 100 records include 91 world records and 9 national records in various events. I have won the battle, but the war is not over, because I have 91 world records. When I set 100 world records, that would be a century of world records. Naturally, that is my. But I am going to take physical rest for compulsory physical rest for 2 months. I have worked very hard. Actually, 2020 was a very black year for the entire world, including India, and with the prevalent COVID situation, it was just not possible to venture outside to practice for any sports activity, not advisable at all. So I conceived a lot of record ideas which I could practice at home and do, including the ones I did today. So I am happy to tell that in the black COVID year, I have set 18 records this year, probably the highest ever set by any Indian at any time.
Excellent.
18. So I am not greedy. Just because there are another 19 more days left in the year, I don't venture for another record this year. I will stop for a few months. I will utilize the time for authoring my autobiographical elements of the journey that I took for achieving the century of records, which hopefully will motivate the younger generation in the days to come. Today, immediately after the KRM record, I also set another record, the 101st record, that is an inaugural world record in boxing. Boxing is not my area at all. I had no pre-exposure. I had never watched boxing events. In fact, I don't like people fighting and getting blood out of somebody's nose and sometimes even killing others. I'm against that. But it just so happened that I saw that one gentleman from Slovakia, his name is Pavel. He is a traditional martial artist, and the martial artist had set a world record of 322 full extension punches in 1 minute. So this amused me, and I said, can I try this? So I tied a pillow and I tried, and I felt that maybe it is within my reach to get that speed. But considering my age of 64 years and the medical advice not to exert beyond a certain limit, I said I will set the record at a speed higher than this, but for 30 seconds. So I wrote to the books of records, which is okay for them, and so I have set a world record in fastest straight arm fist punching. The event is, it is not you are punching like this with a very short amplitude. This is a full arm stretched punch, and it should be retrieved fully by alternately by right and our slow motion confirms that I have done the straight arm full extension punches. I am happy that in the first attempt I made at a speed of 85 in a speed of 340 speed per minute in the first attempt. I re-attempted in the second trial. I was successful, and I was able to make 188 in 30 seconds, which 178 in 30 seconds, which translates to a speed of 356 punches per minute, which is much better than the 322. It is the direct comparison is bad. It's not correct. In terms of speed, I am able to surpass this.
In terms of age also?
Yes, he is 25-year-old.
Oh.
He is 25-year-old and I am 64-year-old. So, according to the Guinness book, the rule says each punch had to be a full extension punch, which is defined as a forceful strike with the fist where the arm is fully extended and fully retracted in between the strikes. So, our friends who hold very high posts have all come today to officiate the records. I will introduce them one by one now. Stop Maguto. The officials who authenticated for today's record to please come and share their comments and observations. I request Mr. Mohan. Mohan authenticated both the carom record as well as the boxing record. Mr.
Sure.
Mohan, please.
Sure, I will. Thank you, sir. So I was able to authenticate Professor S. Ramesh Babu's Karam record. Right from the start, he did the striking with utmost perfection. It was a top cut strike as he has set out his mind for, and he made one of the greatest attempts in making sure that the pawn was able to be netted in such a short interval of time. And in fact, most of it, almost about 92% or so, were all netted in the first attempt itself. There was only a couple of stray misses here and there. But all throughout this entire event, I was able to see that he was focused on getting the pawns across through the perfect strike through, and all throughout the duration of about four minutes or so, he was able to maintain that concentration and attention in order to get to his feet. So I definitely would request the records authority and officials to please consider this particular record setting for their recording purposes. And in the second record, which was the boxing, for a duration of about 30 seconds, he was again able to make sure that he kept up with his strength and endurance all throughout those 30 seconds. Of course, at the initial start, there was a much more frequent hit of the padding cushion, which kind of slowed down towards the end, but again he was able to still continue with his endurance till the 30th second completed, and that was also a remarkable feat considering his age, and also the fact that he had an injury on one of his shoulders which would probably also have put some additional pressure. So all throughout it was a really worthy attempt, and I would request the authorities to please consider this also for the record setting purposes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mohan.
Thank you.
I request Mr. Namperumal to please share his comments for both the records.
Both the records. I had the pleasure to officiate both the events, starting with Karam. Of course, I saw an accuracy of 90 to 92%, which was really commendable. And I saw that at times he had difficulties with a few pawns, but he could make it at short bursts, and it was really a fantastic sight to witness. And I kind of concur with Mr. Mohan that whatever is the recording is accurate and can be considered for record purpose. Okay, and coming to the boxing, so I have been witnessing his kind of fist punching, and he's been very accurate, and there is no element of doubt in terms of the way he has shown discipline and the way he has kind of attempted this record. And it is really a very rare sight for a senior citizen to attempt and to kind of get to the numbers whatever has been recorded today. So again, the boxing also is very accurate, and the readings I have witnessed it in close quarters, and I have done a video recording of the same, which will be published for proof verification. And and I kind of totally agree with whatever has been held today, both with respect to carom and boxing, have been legitimate and authentic. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I request Mr. Sagar sir to, as an expert in Taekwondo.
Hello everyone. What's your age, sir?
64.
Young age. What to tell? Age is just a number. He's very, very active, and he'll do a lot of functions. What to tell in boxing also, as well as in carom also. I observed a lot of energy. You have a lot of energy, sir. And what to tell?
One of the requirements was the punchings had to be forceful. Was it forceful punching, sir?
Excellent, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Mr. Ashok Kumar, kindly share your.
ಇವತ್ತು ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಜೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೇನು, ಇವರು ಸಾಧನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶತಕವನ್ನು ಬರೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇವರು ಮುಂದೆ 150 ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದೇ ರಂಗ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರಂಗದಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರೆ. ಇವತ್ತೇ ನಮಗೆ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರಮ್ಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗು ತುಂಬ ಅಂತರ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಏಜ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 150 ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಆರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ. ವಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
He is scaring me with other targets.